We have our Fence Skills Championship here today. We have 8 events.
We have a first, second, and third place event for an overall category, and we have replica medals to signify who actually gets first, second, and third.
The first event, which is concrete mixing, to see who can mix 2 80-pound concrete bags the fastest time. We have a post hole digging contest, our gate building contest sponsored by Merchant Metals, our wire weaving contest, the graduation of wire, the tying competition, the wood nailing picket competition, the Ameristar panel installation challenge sponsored by Ameristar Fencing.
All 30 fence installers actually get to participate, which builds a great camaraderie and actually boosts the morale of the employees here at Rio Grande Fence Company.
We're very proud of our heritage, very proud of our people, and look forward to another 58 years.
There's no other fence company that compete with Rio Grande. We're #1.